Good morning again, everyone. This is me, Sir Alan. And for today's lesson, we have direct variation. Okay, so let's go over with our concept first. So, direct variation. It is a simple relationship between two variables. So, in symbol, guys, this is y is equal to kx. It may read as y varies directly as x. So, your k there is constant. Okay, so hindi na mabago yung k dyan, so that is constant. As y increases, so pag lumalaki yung value ng y, your x also increases. So tataas din yung value ng x. So as y decreases, x also decreases. So nakadepende yung isa dyan. So kung isa tataas, yung isa naman tataas. While the other decreases, yung isa naman decreases. So it varies directly. For example, if there are lots of men doing the job, so kapag maraming tatrabaho, more job will be done. So marami ding trabahong magagawa. So ganun yun. So, also when you're driving a car, so when you increases your speed, it also increases the distance being traveled. Okay? So that is the best example of a direct variation. Now, let's solve some problems with regards to direct variation. So, meron tayong tatlong problems dito na isosolve. Okay, let's do example number 1. If your x varies directly as y, and your x equals 9, and y equals 6, find x when your y is 16. So sa pag-solve dito guys, dapat marunong ka mag-translate ng sentences into mathematical symbol. So let's go over the details. So if your x varies directly as y, so therefore, number 1 there is your x varies directly as y. So meron na tayong mathematical symbol. So therefore, you have to substitute first the first given value. So yung unang dalawang binigay dyan, yung gagawin natin is we have to substitute. So therefore, your x is 9. So therefore, your x is 9 is equal to k. Your y is 6. So therefore, this is 6. Okay? So, first thing to do is we have to compute for the value of your k or your constant. So therefore, to get the value of your k there, just divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 6. So therefore, this is 6. Okay? So I hope you follow, guys. So this will be cancelled out. 6 divided by 6 is 1. So therefore, our k is our remaining there. And your 9 over 6. So 9 over 6 we can simplify. So therefore, we can divide both sides by 3. So therefore, this is 3 over 2. There we have it. So there you have it, our answer for the constant. So this is 3 over 2. So, laging tandaan guys, ang unang-unang kukumputin natin is the value of constant. Okay? So, we can use the constant to compute the missing value or the missing variable there. So, therefore, the next phrase there is find your x when your y is 16. So, therefore, you can use again the symbol, your x equals k y. So therefore, just substitute the value of the second situation there. Your x there is missing. Your k there is we have computed a while ago. So kaya importante itong constant guys because we can use it as a solution for our next situation. So therefore, we have your k value is 3 halves, 3 over 2. And your y for the second situation is 16. Okay? So therefore, we can compute now the value of your x. So therefore, x is equal to This is multiplication, guys. 3 multiplied to 16 is 48 over 2. Okay, so simplifying our answer, so our x is equal to 48 divided by 2. So we have 24. So therefore, our x value for number 1 is 24. Okay? I hope you follow. So let's do example number 2. So your x varies directly as y, and your x is 200, when your y is 20. So find your y when your x is 700. So gagawin natin is to translate the sentence into a mathematical symbol. So therefore, for number 2, your x varies directly as y. So therefore, your x varies directly as y. So laging tandaan yun, guys. And your x there is 200. So therefore, 200. Just substitute the value of your first given numbers. Okay, 200 is equal to k. When your y there is 20. Okay? So, yung susunod na gagawin is to compute for the value of your constant or your k. So, para makuha yon, just simply divide by the coefficient, yung kasama ng k. So, therefore, this is 20. So, this is 20. Divide both sides by 20. Okay? So, this will be cancelled out because 20 divided by 20 is 1. So, natitira dyan is k. And 200 divided by 20 is, very good, it is 10. Okay, so we can use this one later on as we solve for our problem. Okay, so next situation there is, find your y when your x is 700. So therefore, we can use again our symbol, x is equal to ky. So this is x directly proportional to y. And substitute the second given. So your x is 700. Your k there is 10. When your y is missing. Okay? So, sinubstitute lang natin yung 700 ng x. And your k, galing dun sa kinumpute natin kaganina, and your y is missing. So, we are looking for the value of y. So, therefore, to get the value of your y there, just simply divide by its coefficient. So, ano yung kasama niyang number, yun yung i-divide natin. Okay? So, therefore, divide both sides by 10. So, cancel this out. So, we have y is equal to 700 divided by 10 is 70. Okay, very good, guys. This will be our answer for number 2. Okay? Now, let's solve problem number 3. So, if x varies directly as y, and your x is 15, and y is equal to 3, find the constant k. Okay, so madali lang itong guys kasi isa lang yung hinihingi niya. So therefore, we have to translate x varies directly as y. So therefore, this is x varies directly as y. So ganyan lang po siya, guys. Madali lang. And your x is 15 when your y is 3. So therefore, just substitute the value of your x, 15, and your k is constant, while your y is 3. Okay? So I hope you follow, guys. Madali lang siya. Just substitute the value. And find the constant k. Madali lang siya. Just compute for the value of your constant. So therefore, to compute the value of your constant, just simply divide both sides by its coefficient. So in this case, the coefficient is number 3. So therefore, we have to divide both sides by 3. Okay, so this is divided by 3. So cancel that. We can cancel 3 out because 3 divided by 3 is 1. So therefore, remaining there is your k, which is your constant. And 15 divided by 3 is, very good, it is 5. So there you have it, guys, our answer for problem number 3. Okay? I hope you follow, guys. Ganun lang po siya kadali. Dapat marunong ka mag-translate ng mathematical sentence into symbol para mas makasolve. Okay? Very good. So thank you so much, guys, for watching my YouTube channel, Alano TV Official, and I hope to see you soon, guys, for more videos.